In the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, scheduled for April 26th, the Udupi Chikmagalur constituency in Karnataka is set to witness a significant political battle between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Indian National Congress. This constituency, which has been a stronghold of the BJP since its formation in 2008, will see Kota Srinivas Poojary from the BJP and Jayaprakash Hegde from the Congress. Interestingly, neither Poojary nor Hegde have any criminal cases against them or have faced conviction in any trial. Poojary is a four-time member of the Legislative Council and the leader of the opposition in the Legislative Council. On the other hand, Hegde, a former minister and three-time MLA, has previously served as the chairperson of the Karnataka State Permanent Backward Class Commission. Hegde was a former BJP leader and joined the Congress in March. Poojary declared assets worth 3,58,91,000, while Hegde's assets are valued significantly higher at 15,34,42,600 rupees, consisting of both movable and immovable properties. Moreover, the literacy rate of Udupi Chikmagalur stands at 79.25% as per the 2011 census. This constituency is going to be one of the most interesting in Karnataka. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.